If you're an HVAC owner in Ontario and you know you're losing jobs every single week because you can't get back to homeowners quick enough, this is the most important video you'll watch this year. Just give me a couple of minutes. So here's what's actually happening in your HVAC business right now. You're up on a ladder, you're under a furnace, you're in the middle of an install job, all while your phone is blowing up with new homeowners who want installs. Now, the problem is you call them back 4, 5, 6 hours later, but by that point, they've already gone with a competing HVAC company. Now, it's not just 1 or 2 jobs that you're missing out a day. Over a span of a week, that's 5 to 10 jobs. Even if 2 of those are install opportunities that convert, you're missing out on about $20,000 per month, $250,000 over a year. Now, it's not because you're bad at what you do. No, it's because you don't have a system that's set up to handle all this lead traffic and book appointments, all while you're doing what you're best at, which is installing these HVAC systems. Now, you've probably tried to fix this problem before by hiring a marketing agency which promised massive results and a bunch of new leads. But all they did was charge you $2,000 a month, send you a list of names and phone numbers, all of which when you call back later, don't even remember filling out a form, and then they just leave and kind of let you live with the results. But the problem is, this isn't just a lead problem, it's a speed to follow-up problem. And most agencies aren't even focusing on this because they don't even know it is the problem. Now, that's why I built something different. It's called the System Acceleration Engine, and I'm going to explain it in plain English. So once any homeowner interacts with an ad, your website, a landing page, or any kind of business line, what's going to happen is we're going to send a follow-up within 60 seconds and make sure that they get a booking set up so that all you have to do is show up for the appointment. Now, let's say the customer clicks on the link, but they don't fully follow through and make the booking. What we're going to do is we're going to follow up with them for 7 days straight, making sure that they don't miss out and we're not leaving any leads on the table. Now, let's say they do book the meeting, set the appointment. That's great, but we got to make sure they're a qualified lead, number one. And number two, we got to keep sending them reminders, and that's exactly what we do here, all the way up until the meeting. This maximizes show-up rates so that you're not wasting your time, and all you have to do is show up to the appointment and close the job, then get the job done. Now, all of this is made super simple for you, so all you have to do is show up and do it. We're going to handle the landing pages, all the marketing, and this whole entire follow-up system, which works so well. Now look, I know what you're thinking. You've heard these promises before. Every agency says they're going to deliver results, but here's what I'm going to do differently, okay? I'm going to get you 15 plus qualified install appointments in under 60 days, guaranteed, meaning I will work for free until I hit that number. And the reason I can offer this is because I know that this works, okay? I've seen it before. It's not magic, it's just math. It's a numbers game. If the math makes sense to you, just book a call below. I'll walk you through the exact system and process I'll be using to grow your HVAC company in your specific service area. No pitch, no pressure. If it's a fit, we move forward. If not, you're still gonna walk away knowing exactly where you're losing money and how to fix it. Now, spots are limited. I only work with a limited amount of HVAC companies per service area as I don't want them competing with one another. I'll see you on the other side.